Laravel series. Let's see how can we install and set up Laravel project and create iSmart API. First of all, you have to install PHP, then Composer. After that, open command line and write Composer create -project Laravel say Laravel and my Laravel app. Hit enter. It will take some time. Then cd my Laravel app. Write command PHP artisan serve. Hit enter. Now you can check this URL. You can see Laravel successfully installed. Write code.hit enter and open a project in VS Code. Then open api.php. You will write here our API in this file. Delete the previous code. Then add, use, eliminate, support, assets, routes. After that, root, get. Inside the root, write users. Then add function. Inside the function, return response JSON inside the JSON. An array, then add ID, fat arrow, 1, name Amos, skills, array again, PHP, Laravel, then success true. Save, PHP artisan serve. Let's see API response. Open Thunder client extension on your VS Code. New request. Method is get. Send the request and see the result. API and slash user. And you can see here. Let's make small changes. Right here .NET. Save. Send again. You can see update here. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.